He's spitting this web.
Isn't he?
Yeah, he's like, this is gonna be a mean feed.
This shit's gonna do me for another fucking year. Make me some haggis out of this cricket. Oh, look at the. Oh, yeah, you can see where the web's been pulling.
Yeah, so he's just flicked another one now.
Yeah.
He's flicking more.
He's trying to bind those legs up.
Yeah, but he's. Oh, he's just stung him again.
That cricket's fucking escaping. Better not escape.
Nah. Oh, he is fighting hard, isn't he?
It is.
He's fighting really hard.
Oh, there he goes. Spitting that web out.
Yep. Just trying to get those back legs.
Yeah.
Oh, just about.
Yep.
Just about. Oh! Oh! No. Cricket's fighting hard.
Where the fuck's Edinburgh when you need him?
Oh no, Cricket. Come on.
You know, old Punga's going to win. He's got confidence now. He's stuck there.
Yeah.
See, before he was way too scared to come in.
But when did it just fly into it?
Mm.
And he came out and was like, yeah, dinner time.
Nah, I heard it doing that stupid, cricket court thing.
Yeah.
And then I came out and there it was, and the old Punga was like, yeah, go time.
Yeah, I need it. Just not fleeting.
There it goes, it's the final blow, isn't it?
He's in there.
Bit in the leg.
Oh. Punga.
Gotta catch his breath. That old cricket's doing real well, eh?
Yes.
The amount of energy that spider is using. Yeah. He's gonna bite the head. Notice how none of the other spiders that are connected to this web have been alerted?
No, they're all like, fuck that.
Yeah, because there's one right here. Maybe it'd be like that chicken that made all the bread for everyone, and then once the bread was made, they all wanted a piece, but they didn't want to do any of the harvesting.
Exactly.
He's free. Get him, Spider, get him.
He's not free. His front claw has been pushed out. It's like...
Oh, bound.
Yes.
Because it's real thick and white, eh, compared to the rest of the web.
It's just, oh, I got it free.
Got one free.
No.
I don't think the spider's that fucking dumb.
Just trying to get the other one free.
Just think its mum hasn't shown it how to do this. This is like a total genetic friggin' coding.
It's like us trying to breathe.
Oh, the bite, the bite. Yep. That was it. Went right in underneath the legs and got a fucking chomping.
Oh, poison.
Must have been.
So now I'm just going to go up.
Yep, sit there and wait now. It's time for some soup.
I'm going to rest. No. Coming back down. Oh, it's putting some more web in there. Put that bit there. Can you check what the time is, please?
Don't stop.
Oh, he got him another again.
Another bite, was it?
Yeah, he went in there.
It's like, come on, man, I need my soup. It's time for my soup, Sonny. It's 1:25.
Cool. It's been 6 minutes.
Nature at its best, eh?
He's going in.
For another bite?
Yeah.
Or was it just a tangle? No, it's just a tangle. I thought he would have put the head with him by now. Look how he's using his back legs to spin the web.
Yeah.
Onto the feet.
Trying to bind it.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got it.
Just gonna make it tighter.
Yeah. He's pointing that back one leg.
I've got it in the sunlight. I've got the camera so you can it's just sun and then dark all around it on what I can see.
Yeah, that's just the...
So it's like focusing just on me.
I'm taking a breather. And for another round. The efficiency of you sliding must be German. Oh, shit.
What? What's happened?
Woman. So we're at 3.
Right, cool. It's given up. Cricket's given up.
Yeah, it must have been after that bite.
Yeah, because he's gone away. Punga's gone away. It's trying. Every now and then you can see it moving a leg or something.
Is the spider gone?
It went up.
Oh, they're gonna get its cutlery. Must have had a bite, babe.